Welcome to Learn with Daldaroc. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a custom acrylic bookmark using your Cricut Maker 3. Please watch the video till the end as I show you tips on how to set up your machine correctly and prepare your design in Cricut Design Space. Your first step is to change the operation from basic cut to engrave. Okay, so I'm going to be adjusting this bookmark that I have created to the measurements that I have in my to the measurements I have for my bookmark. So the length of my bookmark is 10 centimeters, and the width for my bookmark is about 2.5 centimeters. So I need to make this way smaller. So I can go click on size and I just decrease this. I like to keep the lock button locked as this ensures that my wording and my image is in proportion. And then I'm going to click make. I'm going to be using a mat. Click confirm. Now, this step is very important as this will determine where you will be placing your actual bookmark onto your mat. So, take note of where you are placing the image on the Cricut Design Space. This next step is where you choose the type of material you are going to be using. Now, you can quickly search for the material type. In this case, I am using an acrylic. There's two types of acrylic measurements. There's 1 millimeter and 2 millimeter. Please select the correct size as this will have an impact on how your Cricut Maker cuts your blanks. The next step is to prepare your Cricut blanks for your mat. You will see that your Cricut blank comes with a protective layer. Remove one side of the protective layer and face it upwards. And then you can use painter's tape to ensure that your blanks do not move while the machine is engraving on it. To prepare your machine to cut thicker materials, ensure that you move the white roller blades to the side. When engraving, you need to ensure that you use the correct tip. I use tip number 41 and I had to attach it to an housing. Now you can see I made a mistake and I did not attach the housing correctly to the tip. As a result, the tip fell in a small gap and was really difficult to take out. So please ensure that your housing and your tip is correctly put on in order to avoid this mistake. If you're enjoying this video so far, please can you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Now you can remove your acrylic blank from the mat. You can use your painter's tape just to remove any fine particles that might have come on the top. In this case, there wasn't actually any fine particles, but obviously it depends on the quality of acrylic blank that you are using. This is the finished product. I am so happy about how this turned out. It was my first time creating this project, and I was very impressed of how the Cricut Maker 3 can engrave very small details. I know that the engraving looks a bit skew, and that is because I did not place the acrylic blank on my mat accurately. So please ensure when working on an acrylic blank to ensure that your blanks are placed according to the measurements that you used on your Cricut Design Space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any questions in the comments box.